How to redeem Expedia points. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this video I will show you how you can redeem your Expedia points on the Expedia app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the Expedia app. And then once you're in the Expedia app, you have to tap on your profile here in the bottom right side. And then here you will see all of your available points. I don't have any points. And then here you will have to scroll down and you will see this coupons and credits. Tap on it to open. And here this page will show up. If you have coupons, credits or points, you will be able to redeem here. So I don't have any points, that's why it is showing empty here. But if you have coupons, credit or points, you will see them here and you will be able to redeem it. So you can also go to this how to use coupons, and here you will see how can you redeem or use your coupons. So this is how you can redeem your points on Expedia. Thanks for watching.